Hey there! If you've been following along, you already know how to find some of the brightest stars in the night sky. If not, no worries, you can check out my last video right up here. In this video, we're going to dig a little deeper and explore the link between the position of Polaris, the North Star, and your latitude. Let's dive into our first example. Imagine you're in Dakar, Senegal, located at 14 degrees north latitude. Here, Polaris is about 14 degrees above the horizon. Now let's travel north to Trondheim, Norway, at 63 degrees north. Here, Polaris sits much higher, 63 degrees above the horizon. So, the higher your latitude, the higher Polaris appears in the sky. Now, let's talk about star trails. Have you ever wondered why stars appear to move in circles in some long exposure photos? Those trails are actually caused by Earth's rotation. It takes roughly 24 hours for the Earth to complete one full rotation. Polaris stays almost stationary because it's so close to Earth's rotational axis, while the rest of the stars seem to revolve around it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more easy to understand astronomy tips. Got any stargazing questions or stories? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.